Find equations for the line whose slope is 2/3 and which passes through the point -9, 8 in both general form and slope-intercept form. We're given the slope and we're given 1 point, so a good starting point is to use the point-slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. M is the slope that was given, and x1, y1 are the coordinates of the point that was given. So x1 is -9 and y1 is 8. Now that we've identified the pieces, let's plug them in. So this is y minus y1, so y minus 8, equals m, that's 2/3, times x subtract x1. So if we subtract -9, this is the same as adding 9. Since we want the equation in general form, our next step will be to get rid of fractions. I see the common denominator is 3, so let's multiply both sides of the equation by 3. This way, on the right-hand side, we can reduce the 3's out. Now there are no fractions, we distribute what's left. So distributing the 3 through, we have 3y minus 24 equals. Distribute the 2 through, we've got 2x plus 18. General form has 0 on one side of the equation, so let's do that next. Let's zero out the right-hand side by subtracting 2x on both sides of the equation and subtracting 18 also. On the left side, this leaves us with negative 2x plus 3y minus 42. On the right-hand side, everything cancels out, leaving us with 0. Now, in general form, we also can't lead off with a negative. So now we'll multiply both sides of the equation by -1, effectively flipping all the signs. So this gives us 2x minus 3y plus 42 equals 0, and this is general form. Next, we need slope-intercept form. This is where we have y by itself. Now we can take any of the previous versions that we had. Let's just take our final stopping point in general form and modify this. So this is 2x minus 3y plus 42 equals 0. Remember, slope-intercept form, we need to get y by itself. This is the form y equals mx plus b. So we need to solve for y. So let's subtract 2x from both sides of the equation and subtract 42 from both sides of the equation. This way on the left, the 2x, 42, they cancel out, leaving us with negative 3y. On the right-hand side, we've got negative 2x minus 42. And then finally divide both sides by negative 3 to get y alone. On the left-hand side, the negative 3's reduce out, leaving us with just y. On the right, we've got 2/3 x plus 14. So this says slope-intercept form is y equals 2/3 x plus 14.